Do you know what I've noticed after working with hundreds of high-income professionals? The more successful you become, the less freedom that you actually have. You've built the career, you've built the income, and you've built the reputation. But somehow, you're still on call 24/7. The emails don't stop, your phone's constantly buzzing, it never shuts off. Sure, the money's good, but the margin, the breathing room, it's completely gone. And here's what's interesting. Most people at your income, they look at real estate and think, why would I even bother? $300 a month in rent, it's just not gonna move the needle. But they're missing the bigger picture entirely. So let's talk about how to build a real estate portfolio that actually grows itself and why it's not about monthly rent checks. Look, I get it. When you're pulling $300 to $400 to $500,000 a year in income, the idea of chasing a monthly rent check seems like a complete waste of time. Most high income earners think real estate is just another income stream. They see the numbers and they're like, that won't even cover my car payment. I had a cardiologist tell me exactly that. Jimmy, I make more in 15 minutes of surgery than a rental property is gonna make in an entire month. But here's what they don't understand. This is not about replacing your paycheck. It's about protecting the wealth that you've already built. See, while you've been grinding out 60-hour weeks building your career, something insidious has been happening to your money. Every dollar you've saved, every bonus you've banked, it's quietly losing its purchase power. I've worked with surgeons who have saved over $500,000 over the course of 5 to 10 years, only to realize that $500,000 only buys half of what it would have bought when the surgeon first started saving. That's the real problem we're solving here. It's not cash flow, it's wealth preservation. Now, once smart people like you figure out that real estate investing is about wealth preservation, their next thought is like, okay, well, I need to learn how to do this. And that's where the high income professional gets stuck. Because naturally, you're doers and you're talented and you're all about getting it done. You start researching markets, you start analyzing deals, you're watching a bunch of YouTube videos about cap rates and cash on cash returns. And before you know it, you're spending your weekends at meetups and seminars instead of spending that valuable time with your family. And that same cardiologist that I mentioned, he spent 2 years doing exactly this, stuck in analysis paralysis. He was reading books, attending seminars, analyzing spreadsheets. Meanwhile, his $500,000 in savings was just sitting there, shrinking month over month, year over year. I've seen brilliant people, doctors, lawyers, executives, engineers, try to become part-time real estate experts. And you know what happens? They completely burn out before their second property. And here's the thing, you don't need to learn the game. You need to own the system that plays the game for you. And you need to work with the team that does all the work for you. And now here's the thing. Once you understand that real estate investing is about long-term wealth preservation, everything else changes. By knowing that and actually having a system that finds, finances, and manages wealth-building properties for you, that system is a completely different thing than what you originally thought real estate investing was. That's why I've recorded a short video showing you exactly how our clients are building multi-million-dollar portfolios without having to become landlords. And I'm gonna show you how the math actually works when you're thinking like an investor and not a speculator. You'll find the link right below this video. And if you've got the capital that's just sitting there losing purchasing power, this might be the most important 10 minutes you spend this year. But before you check that out, let me tell you what happens when people try to shortcut this process, because it will probably cost you more than you think. Because people think they got this figured out when they say, fine, I'll just hire a property manager and make it passive. But here's what I've learned after years in this business. Most property managers, they're built for maintenance, not wealth building. They'll take the call when the toilet breaks, sure, but they're not gonna optimize your tax position. They're not gonna help you structure your financing so you can maximize leverage, and they're not going to be able to ensure that the property's actually building long-term wealth because they're not investors and they're not entrepreneurs. And you end up with a scattered portfolio that needs constant babysitting. And that's the exact opposite of what you wanted. And what you need is not property management, is a wealth management system that just happens to use real estate. That's the mentality that our system rewards. And here's what most smart, well-educated, high-income earners don't calculate: the opportunity cost of waiting for the perfect deal and perfect timing. Every year you wait for the right market and the right deal and the right interest rate, and your money is just sitting there growing weaker and weaker. Remember that cardiologist I was talking to you about? He spent 2 years researching and then waiting for the right deal. And in that time, his 400K lost $60,000 in purchasing power due to inflation. And I work with people all the time. They've been researching real estate for 3, 4, or even 5 years. And here's the problem. The money they've been saving over those 5 years have lost value for 5 consecutive years. You're not just missing out on appreciation and tax benefits. You're watching your purchasing power evaporate while you wait for certainty. And here's the real irony. The people who understand economics, people like you, are often the most paralyzed trying to time everything perfectly. But wealth preservation doesn't require perfect timing. It requires consistent action with the right system. See, when your wealth is sitting in cash or in traditional investments, you're playing defense against inflation. You're letting the system hurt you instead of letting the system work for you. But real estate, it completely flips that script. You're using today's dollars to buy tomorrow's asset. You lock in today's prices with tomorrow's cheaper money. And this is my favorite part. You're getting the government to subsidize the entire thing for you by 1, giving you tax benefits, and by 2, backing the loan you're going to use to buy these houses. And that's not speculation. That's economic logic. That's how the American system works. And that cardiologist I mentioned, once he finally plugged into our system, within 90 days, he owned 3 properties. They're all cash flowing, all appreciating, all structured for maximum tax efficiency. And he didn't become a landlord. He became a real estate investor. And that is a huge difference. And here's the beauty of the right system. You don't have to be an expert to benefit from real estate economics. Your capital gets to work while you keep doing what you're great at. So yes, you absolutely can build a real estate portfolio that grows itself without tenants, without toilets, and without turning into a part-time landlord. But here's what I see happens next. Most people, they just stop there. They think hands off means settling for average returns, when their money could be working 3 or 4 times harder with the right structure. That's exactly why I made this next video for you. I'll show you how to earn 30 to 40% annual returns on real estate that you're never gonna have to manage, and I'm gonna show you how to do it without taking on any extra risk or having to give up control. So click right here to watch it now. And if you're ready to make your capital to work as hard as you had to earn that capital, you don't want to miss this next piece. So I'll see you there.